Hello and welcome to another video. This video is about cars, so just pay attention and I'm gonna tell you what you get in a package that I give you for free. First I want to introduce you to my beautiful background picture which I took last week when I was in a family camping trip. You can see the video right here if you're interested to see the video that I make with my drone and all my equipment. But today it's all about cars and I want to give you a free package: cars, SUVs and vans, the sound of a big wheel. And what you get into this package, this is 1,700 royal free sounds, 1710 web files, 96 Hz, 24-bit, and the size of all the files is 24 gigabytes. Yes, right, 24 gigabytes. One single download files take a lot of time to upload it, but if you subscribe to my channel and send me your email address, I will send you a direct link for a 24 gigabytes car sound, SUVs, sound effects, and much more. So I'm going to tell you first what you will get and what's included. And you get cars, CADDY, drive-by, interior, handling, inside, outside, vans, SUVs, Hummer, Hyundai, LANDROVER, Mercedes-Benz, Sprinter, MITSUBISHI, PORSCHE, Toyota, VOLVO, engine, slow, fast, kickdown, horns, wipers, trunks, pedals. And all of this you get if you just subscribe to my channel, and I need subscribers to my channel. So if you can do that for me, share with me your email and I will send you a direct link of all of these huge 24 gigabytes of sound effects of cars. Each of those cars in a package come with details, individual, mechanical, caricaturistic, combine, long take-off, multi-channel car engine sound and drive-by with a comprehensive collections of interior handling sound such as indicator, ventilation, pedal, brakes, seatbelt, and whatever you can think of. Sound design cover the entire range of possible car sound. So as I say before, subscribe to my channel and you will get this package. I hope you find a way to enjoy this package because this is really nice sound effects package. Tons of sound effects. I hope you like that and I hope you find a way to use it at the best. As always, stay creative and I will see you in my other video. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.